Nvidia, one of the leading companies in the world of graphics processing units, GPUs, has recently announced a new program called Priority Access that aims to help fans get their hands on the highly sought-after RTX 5080 and 5090 GPUs. These cards have been in high demand since their release, with limited supply making it nearly impossible for consumers to purchase them. But with this new program, Nvidia is hoping to make the process a little easier for their loyal fans. The Verge reports that Nvidia has yet to provide an explanation for why they launched this program, but it's clear that the demand for their GPUs is far greater than the supply. This has caused frustration among gamers and PC enthusiasts who have been eagerly waiting to upgrade their systems with these powerful GPUs. With Priority Access, Nvidia is giving their most dedicated fans a chance to secure these cards before they sell out. But what exactly does Priority Access entail? According to Nvidia, it will give select customers early access to purchase the RTX 5080 and 5090 GPUs before they are made available to the general public. This means that those who are chosen for this program will have a higher chance of getting their hands on these highly coveted cards. However, it's important to note that this is not a guarantee of purchase, as the supply is still limited. While some may see this as a positive move by Nvidia to reward their loyal customers, others may argue that it only adds to the frustration and exclusivity surrounding these GPUs. The limited supply and high demand have already caused prices to skyrocket on third-party websites, making it nearly impossible for the average consumer to afford them. And now with Priority Access, it may seem like those who are already privileged enough to afford these expensive cards will have an even greater advantage. In other tech news, Microsoft has made a bold claim regarding a breakthrough in quantum computing. According to the Wall Street Journal, their researchers have created a chip that leverages a new state of matter, which could potentially lead to quantum computers more powerful than anything we've seen before. This new state of matter, called a Myranafermion, has been a topic of interest for scientists for decades. And now, Microsoft claims to have harnessed its power for quantum computing. This breakthrough could have major implications for the future of technology, as quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems at an unprecedented speed. However, some experts remain skeptical, stating that there is still a long way to go before we see practical applications of this new state of matter in quantum computing. But regardless of the outcome, it's clear that Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of technology. In a surprising move, Microsoft is also delving into generative artificial intelligence for gaming with their new AI model called Muse. According to Wired, this model was trained on Ninja Theory's multiplayer game Bleeding Edge and has the ability to generate new content for games in real time. While this may seem like an exciting advancement in AI technology, some developers are skeptical and believe that this could lead to a lack of creativity and originality in game development. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it's important to stay informed about the latest breakthroughs and developments. Subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology. Who knows what exciting advancements we'll see next?